Today, let's consider whether everything we thought we knew about where life can exist in the universe might not be so true after all. Here's the thing, we've always assumed that finding alien life means finding another planet like Earth. Now, two scientists, Professor Robin Wordsworth from Harvard and Professor Charles Cockell from Edinburgh, just published a fascinating paper that suggests life might not need planets at all. I know, wild, right? But hear me out, because this could completely change how we search for life in the cosmos. Think about why we need Earth in the first place. It gives us liquid water, shields us from deadly radiation, and maintains the right temperature and pressure for life. But these researchers propose that advanced organisms could potentially create these conditions for themselves, kind of like building their own mini biosphere in space. Now, before you think this is pure sci-fi, let me blow your mind with some incredible examples from right here on Earth. Ever heard of Saharan silver ants? These incredible creatures have evolved special adaptations that let them survive temperatures that would kill any other known arthropod. Or take diatoms, microscopic organisms that can create complex structures from silica that are even more precise than our manufacturing processes. Even the pressure difference between your head and feet when you're standing is about 15 kilopascals, which is actually enough pressure to keep water liquid under the right conditions. The researchers have done the maths, and it checks out. These kinds of biological structures could maintain the right temperature and pressure for liquid water across a huge range of distances from stars. And get this, they might not even need intelligence to evolve. Just like how Arctic algae figured out how to photosynthesize under ice in extremely weak light, life might find ways to create its own protective environments through natural evolution. The really exciting part? If we find this kind of life out there, it might look completely different from anything we've seen before. These organisms wouldn't just be adapting to their environment, they'd be creating it. And that means we might need to completely rethink what biosignatures, the signs of life we look for in space, might look like. The implications are huge for both alien life and space exploration. Instead of just looking for Earth-like planets or icy moons with underground oceans, we might need to consider the possibility of self-sustaining ecosystems floating in space. And get this, the researchers calculate that these theoretical life forms could potentially survive anywhere between 1 and 5 astronomical units from the Sun. That's the entire inner solar system. This isn't just academic speculation either. If we can understand how organisms might create their own habitable environments, this could revolutionize how we approach long-term space habitation. Imagine biological space stations that maintain themselves using principles we learn from nature. So next time you look up at the stars, remember that life might be even more versatile and amazing than we imagined. The universe could be teeming with life in places we never thought to look. Let me know in the comments what you think about this idea. Could life really exist without planets? Meanwhile, stay curious and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-expanding astrobiology content.